And my dog Zeus has the hiccups, as you can see that, and it's like a two thing thing today because I'm showing today now. I just uploaded a new video, and yeah. Oh Zeus, don't be shy. It's fine. You have the hiccups. It's fine. It's cute. Do you have the hiccups anymore? No. And today I will be doing a face reveal right now, so just get ready. Cause I didn't want to do this because I was nervous and stuff. So I'll be right back. And 3, 2, 1. Hi guys. Oh gosh, this light is bright. Oof. I just took my hair out because it was in a ridiculous ponytail, and okay, I'm covering it. Sorry, hold on. Okay, this is fine. I'm covering the light with my pinky. Aww, Zeus. Okay. My sister's in the living room, and my brother's in his room. Me and my sister both share a room, so yeah. And the room's sort of messy, but it's fine. I'm comfortable. So, as you know, my other two videos, I put music in, and I'll show you my sister right now. And she's the best. And did you make that? Oh wait, let me get you. Let me see. Oh yeah, I put it. Sorry if my face is close up. I'm so sorry because I forgot to put close up. Look at that. Okay.
Look, teeth.
Okay, show your face, stupid. Come here, let me fix your hair. Hold on. Nope.
Wow.
Cause wait, you have to be in the part of the video first, okay? No, don't get too close. Just say your name and how old you are. Say your name and how old you are, Izzy. Izzy.
My name is
So her name is Isabel. She's never been in one of my, well, not two, but she's been in one of my other videos. This is her second time being in my video. Last time she wasn't shy because she didn't know I was putting it on YouTube. So, yeah. And sometimes she's a complete weirdo. Hold on with my hair. I know. There's a cat there's a cat under my bed and Izzy right here. Did you just fart? You crazy. Hold on. I'll see if she's there.
Take a picture of me and Zeus.
Oh. I think she left. Okay. Because
Take a picture of me and Zeus.
Actually.
Take
So
a picture
if
of
you
me
subscribe,
and
remember, you also get to have photos of my dog, Zeus. Not my dog, my dad's dog, Zeus. And photos of them, my sister and him together too. Also, my cats. Okay, bye. And also, my brother is featured in my other video, so is she. Okay, bye.
Take a picture of me and Zeus.
Boop. Boop.